Hey everyone, congratulations. Till now we have already completed many topics in Python like variables, data types, operators, if else, loops, strings and functions. Now in this session we will discuss some question answer so that our concepts gets revised. Okay. Now first tell me what will be the output of this program. Take a minute and tell me the output. Let me run it for you. At the end of the each value of the list, comma will be printed. Now if I give backslash, what will happen? 2 slash 4 slash 6 slash 7 slash. Okay, now if I give hyphen, so the values are separated as per the given symbol. Okay. Now tell me the output of this one. What about the save parameter? Save parameter means every value will be separated by slash. This is the way you can print any date. Okay. You can change here anything you can provide as per your wish. Now tell me how we can swap two variables. Let me visualize this code for you. First x equal to 2, one variable x equal to 2, y equal to 3, x equal to x plus y, x has become 5 because 2 plus 3, y equal to x minus y, that means 5 minus 3, y equal to 2. Now x equal to x minus y, that means 5 minus 2, that is 3. Now print x, 3, 2. See, before x was equal to 2 and y was equal to 3, now they have swapped. But in Python, in a single line, we can swap the two variables. Now if I write this way, x comma y equal to 2 comma 3, that means x will be initialized with 2, y will be initialized with 3. Now this line means the value of x will be transferred to y, the value of y will be transferred to x. So the values of these two variables will be swapped. Now if I run it, x will be 3, y will be 2. Okay. Now tell me what will be the output of this program. What what is ABS function? This is also a built-in function. We have studied built-in function developed by the Python developers. Now if I run it, it will give us the magnitude of the numbers. It doesn't depend on the sign. See, there is no positive or negative symbol, only the magnitude is given. Now let's do this one. What will be the output? Take a pause and solve it. What will happen? First, I have taken a my string hello world. Then I am iterating over each of the characters and I am checking whether the character is equals to W. If not, then the character will be printed. But if it equals to W, then break statement will execute. Break means break will exit the loop. Okay. Same program I have done with continue statement. When it will get the W, the continue statement will be executed and continue means it will again go back to the loop without letting the other statements execute. Now I will visualize this for you. Okay. Now my string equal to hello world. For char in my string, age, first age will be taken. If char equal to W, not satisfied, it will be printed. Same, now it is E, not satisfied, printed. L, not satisfied, printed. L, printed. O, printed. Space, printed. Now W, now if condition satisfies, what will happen? Break statement will be executed, so it will stop the loop. See, the program has ended. Hello is printed. Hello space is printed. Okay. Now let me show you the continue. What will happen? Hello world. First character not equals to W is printed. E printed. L printed. L printed. O printed. Space printed. Now it is W. So what will happen? Continue will be executed. That means it will continue the loop. See, it will continue the loop but will not let the other statement executed. That means W will not be printed. Instead, it will go back to the loop. So what will happen next? O. Next character is taken and next all others will be printed. O R L D if there is no W. See, this is the output. Okay, clear? We have already studied in details about break and continue. Now I think you are able to solve this problem. Now tell me what will be the output. First one, what will be the output? Let me run it. First, 5 into 2, 10 plus 10, 20. Now why not 10 plus 5, 15 into 2, 30? Because this is what is known as operator precedence. That means some operator gets more priority than other operators. Multiple operator gets more priority than additional operator. Okay, now what about the next one? What will happen? First, parenthesis will be calculated. 10 plus 5, 15 into 2, 30. Because parenthesis gets more priority. What about the next one? 10 plus 5 divided by 2, that is 2.5, so 12.5. Now the division operator gets more priority than addition operator. Next, what will be the output? 10 plus 5, 15 divided by 2, 7.5. That means the parenthesis will get more priority than division operator. So what is the operator precedence rule? First priority, parenthesis. Second, multiplication or division. Next, addition or subtraction. Okay, now what about this one? What will be the output? Plus will get more priority. So 3 plus 2, 5. Now 5 greater than 5. No, that is not true. That will be false. Let me show you. This is false. What about this one? Parenthesis gets first priority. So 5 greater than 3. True. True means 1. So 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Output 3. What about next one? Again, parenthesis, first priority, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 greater than 5, no, false. Output is false. So what is the precedence rule? First, parenthesis, next, comparison operator. Okay. Now tell me the next one. What will be the output? X and Y or Z. Now X equal to true, Y equal to false, Z equals to true. First, OR operator will get the precedence. So Y or Z means false or true. What will be the output here? True, because if one is true, then OR gives true as output. Now X and true, X equal to true. So true and true, true. Now let me show you the result true. Okay. What about next one? Parenthesis. Whenever there is a parenthesis, it gets the first priority. Y or Z, false or true? Output is true. Now X equal to true. So true and true, it will be true. See? What about this one? Again parenthesis. X and Y, true and false. Output is true. Now true or Z, Z is true. So true or true, that is true. So output is true. Okay, here also first parenthesis, then logical operator. Okay, now I have already given you a list highest to lowest precedence. Okay, now you can just give a read so that you can remember that parenthesis, first priority, next exponentiation, then unary operators, then multiplication, division, modulo, addition, subtraction, and bitwise and comparison, membership, logical operator. We all know about all these operator in details. We studied about those in our operator class. Okay, just go through it once. Now tell me, do you know what is PEP 8? PEP 8 means, suppose I am writing a program, but other programmers are facing difficulties while understanding my program. Now to prevent this, Python provides a style guide. That is what is known as Python Enhancement Proposal, that is PEP 8. It outlines recommended practices and conventions so that while a programmer writes a program, he or she follows those practices and the readability improves. Okay, so we can say to create consistent and clean Python code, we can follow the Pepet recommendation. Like you provide indentation, but it's recommended that you provide four spaces while giving indentation. Or while you are writing a variable name, you may capitalize the first word. Like these are the small things that improves the readability. So Python has given a complete guidelines on that so that the Python community follows this and the readability improves. If you want to read about the Python guide, style guide, they have given in details manner. You can read it from here. What about tab spaces? What about maximum line length? So if you can follow this, it will be good for other programmers to understand your programming. Okay, okay. Now this was a short video just to revise our concepts, whatever we have studied so far. Okay, bye. Happy learning.